What we have here is a John Deere lawnmower that won't start. There's the hood for it. So what you need to test for is to see if your ignition switch is good, your starter solenoid is good, your starter motor is good, and that you have a good battery. I'll show you how to do that. So I put a new battery in it, and when you turn the key, you can hear the fuel solenoid click on the carburetor. But when you go to the next position, which is the start position, you don't hear anything, nothing happens. So what I want to do, I want to make sure that power is getting to the starter motor from the key switch, from the battery. The way I'm doing that is I have a voltmeter here that I have set to DC volts. And currently we're reading 0. And what I've done is the ignition switch activation wire that goes to your starter solenoid right here. It's this little connection here. When you turn your key to the start position, it sends power through this wire, through the solenoid, which opens and then transfers power from the battery to the starter motor. So anyways, what I've done is I've pulled off that wire there, and we're going to see if we're getting voltage right there at the solenoid. So I have the red wire connected to that, and I have the black wire out of my voltmeter grounded, and that's where I've put it so I don't have to hold on to it, so I can hold the camera here and turn the ignition switch. And so I have the emergency brake set so I don't have to be sitting on it to start it here. So I turn the key on, the battery light comes on, I can hear the fuel solenoid click. Now you see when I turn it to the first position, we're getting a little bit of volts already, but when I turn it to the start position, you know, we're getting plenty of battery voltage there right at the starter solenoid. So that's the problem, is the starter solenoid on this John Deere. That's the problem right there. That's the solenoid, and you can see the starter motor next to it.